Namaste, viewers. It's Friday morning, May 16, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Please mention your email in the comment section so that we can forward you the daily market wrap in your inbox at exactly 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time each weekday. Indian benchmark indices surged midday on strong buying interest during a session of across the board buying. Indian equity markets settled higher on Thursday, May 15, following an announcement of easing trade tensions between the US and India. Rising for the second day, the Sensex jumped 1,200 points or 1.48% to settle at a 7-month high of 82,531. The Nifty surged 395 points or 1.6% to settle also at a 7-month high of 25,062, adding a market cap of rupees 4.72 lakh crores on Thursday. Earlier in the day, mixed global cues led to a muted opening and high volatility in the first half. However, a sudden mid-session surge helped the Nifty reclaim 25,000 level after spending 141 sessions below the level. The index had crossed 25,000 on October 17, 2024 previously. The biggest gainers on the Nifty were Hero MotoCorp, JSW Steel, Trent, Tata Motors, and HCL Tech. Among the broader markets, Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices settled with gains of 0.7% and 0.54% respectively. All the sectoral indices on the NSE Nifty 50 settled with gains on Thursday, and among them, Nifty Auto and Realty were the top gainers, followed by Nifty Metal, IT, Private Bank, Financial Services, and Bank Nifty. The Fear Index, India VIX, which gauges market volatility, settled 1.93% lower at 16.89 points. Meanwhile, Apple is significantly ramping up production of Pro models in its upcoming iPhone 17 series in India this year to meet US demand. The move highlights the country's growing role in the tech giant's global supply chain strategy and signals that the company's expansion plans remain unchanged despite US President Donald Trump's concerns about Apple's expanding manufacturing presence in India. Foxconn, Apple's largest contract manufacturing partner in India, will scale up production of the iPhone 17 Pro model. Apple began making top of the line iPhone Pro models last year at its Sriperumbudur facility in Tamil Nadu through Foxconn. 4 reasons for the sudden surge in the market mid session. 1. Hopes of early India US trade deal. New Delhi is keen to finalize a deal within the 90-day pause announced by the US in April on proposed tariff hikes for major trade partners, which earlier included a 26% duty on Indian goods. Trump's comments that India has agreed to effectively drop all tariffs on US goods as a part of potential trade deal, the market took as a positive. 2. Fall in crude oil prices. Crude prices decline in future trades, easing worries over imported inflation and boosting the outlook for corporate margins. Declining oil prices are seen as positive for India, which relies heavily on imports to meet its energy needs. 3. Rally in stocks on rate cut hopes. Retail inflation cooled sharply to 3.16% in April, down from 3.34% in March and 4.83% a year ago. The softer than expected inflation reading has strengthened hopes of monetary easing in the upcoming June policy review and heightened expectations of a rate cut by the Reserve Bank of India. And number 4, continued FII inflows. Foreign institutional investors remain net buyers of Indian equities, purchasing shares worth rupees 931.80 crores on Wednesday. The steady flow of foreign funds further supported the market's upward momentum. In the US overnight, the S&P 500 climbed for the fourth day, with investors increasingly confident that trade tensions will ease and the US economy will prove resilient. Major indexes drifted sideways with little conviction in either direction for much of the day. The S&P 500 climbed 0.41% to end at 5,917 points. Nasdaq declined 0.18% to 112, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.65% to 42,323 points. Brent crude is trading at $64.63 a barrel. Gold is rupees 93,620 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 96,040 per kilogram. The outlook for today. Technically, the index has formed a strong bullish candle and decisively breached its immediate resistance of 24,930. The recent consolidation breakout, along with the move above the swing high, has increased the probability of the index reaching 25,690 in the short term. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,360, above which further upside potential may be unlocked. On the downside, 24,400 is expected to act as strong support in the short to medium term. A decisive break below this level could cause the ongoing rally to lose momentum. Until then, a buy on dip strategy is likely to remain effectively. Key stocks in focus: JSW Energy, Bharti Airtel, Patanjali Foods, Abbott India, Endurance Technologies, NCC, Godrej Industries, Crompton Greaves, Godfrey Phillips, Acom Laboratories, LIC Housing Finance, GR Infra Projects, PB Fintech, Bajaj Auto, Bikaji Foods, Pricol, Datamatics, LIC Housing Finance, GR Infra, PB Fintech, and Bajaj Auto will be the key stocks in focus on May 16 today. That's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you now on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.